AG Labs, my name is Dan. Hello, welcome, good morning to the micro soldering show. New week and new repairs. And today in the morning, I don't want to do repair with you because I just did some thoughts the last days, and I was thinking about. I give you everyday repair video, and often I give you the same videos for the same errors like VCC main shorts or things like that. So it's what's that? For me, I just want to get you an interesting output which you can really use for your repairs and of which you can really learn things. So on Friday, on Saturday, it was on Saturday I think, I started to just give you a video for an iPhone 8, board, how to prepare an iCloud locked board for board swap. And the reactions were really good. A lot of people wrote me PNs, a lot of people commented, and the views were okay too. For me, I'm not a big YouTuber. I only have about 11,000 followers. Well, I don't know exactly. I think 11,500 followers. So I'm really a small YouTuber, not a big channel. And I don't have click rates like some other really big artists in this micro soldering scene, like Chessa from iPad Rehab or Jason from STS Telecom. So I'm just a little small micro solderer from Germany who speaks bad English, and a lot of Germans, by the way, which most of the Germans I don't like. I like, for sure, I'm a German, and there are enough Germans I like, but the German culture is always, if somebody does something like me and you go into offense and you present something for a lot of people, a lot of haters are coming around. And in the USA or in English speech, people are not hating like in Germany. So for me, I'm just a German who speaks bad English and makes some technical videos on the tech channel, and I'm just a small light in this whole business. And I just, for me, the clicks on the last video for the iPhone 8 Plus were really okay. What's that? Blood? Were really okay. And I just want to do the same today in the morning with an iPhone 7 Plus board. And my intention on that is that I show you every board of every generation, starting by the iPhone 6, going up to the iPhone X or XS, how to prepare these boards for swap. So I think that's just a new thing of video. I didn't see these videos before on YouTube. I didn't see these CPU videos like I do on YouTube too. But yeah, I just hope that on a point people give respect for what I do here, and we get more subscribers and we are growing and getting bigger, because that's one of my intentions. Just to get really a big channel with a lot of followers, but at the moment we are just small, just a small light in this whole scene. And perhaps you can help me to grow up, to get bigger. It's corresponding to you, because you have to like the content, you have to share that, you have to subscribe, and if you do that, we can get much bigger than we are at the moment. So I hope this will work, because I invest a lot of time every day since about 2 or 3 years. I think I'm doing YouTube now, and I hope it's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, today in the morning we just start with this iPhone 7 Plus board, and we prepared the board for board swap. So some people asked questions under my last video. Why do you only take off the CPU, the baseband CPU, and the NAND? What about other things like the baseband EEPROM or the logic EEPROM? I don't take these EEPROMs off the board I just take the data, I just copy the data of these EEPROMs with my JC Pro 1000. So in this case, it's the same. I just show you how to remove the CPU, how to clean the area, how to remove the baseband CPU, how to remove the NAND, how to remove the power IC and replace it. And after that we got a good looking board which I can use for swap. Okay, so for me it's an advantage, because for the next board swap which I have to do today, surely I can use that board, because here we get a lot of data recovery jobs. So we are not a monster big company, we're just a small company with 1, 2, 3, 4, me, 5 technicians completely, if we are complete. One of the technicians at the moment is only doing ICC Pros, the other is only doing ICC Pros too. So at the moment only 3 technicians are working on board repairs, or 2 are working on board repairs and 1 is working at component repairs. So we are really a small company, and so we don't get 100 devices a day, but we get a lot of special cases which others can't solve and normally these are data recovery cases. In most of the cases we have to swap the board to get the important data. So, and I just want to show you how to prepare an iPhone 7 Plus board. I wish you a lot of fun with that, and we start right away with the on-hands camera. By the way, if you are watching YouTube and if you like the channel, subscribe and check Instagram, because I do a lot of posts and a lot of content on Instagram too for repairs and things like that. So I would be really happy if you would give me some love for that. So I need my tweezers. Okay. And now I just take off the shield on the front. What is important here is that we got a little tiny piece of glue here on the top, and I just cut that piece off, because otherwise it can be, if you lose the EMI shield on the front, that you take the small parts which are sitting under the front camera FPC, that you can lose them, and I don't want to do that. So I just do a little cut for the glue sticker, or for this glue. Okay, I got up the EMI shield. The next thing I do is just taking off the thermal paste, taking a brush, some contact cleaner, clean one time, wiping, and after that we can go straight away under the microscope. And I missed my microscope over the weekend. And here you can see this is the rest of the glue. Okay, so I did a cut here, and if I didn't do the cut and I heat up the EMI shield and take it off, it can be that you lose a lot of small components here, and we don't know. We don't want to lose components. Okay, now we just clean the underfill around the CPU. And by the way, I really love this board holder. The iCloud board I bought on rexcom.de, and the board holder, the WL single shaft board holder, I got from lixma.de. In my opinion, the best board holder I have ever used. I just ordered that some times ago on Union Repair, and only one and then I saw it's so nice, and I told Felix from Lixma, this is a nice product, you must take it. And so he just sent me some. And since then, on every place here and at the bottle of repair school, we just use damn WL single shaft board holders. Really comfortable, really nice. So gently get out the glue. Don't lose components if possible. Because the boards are made in various companies, companies in China. Sometimes the glue is a little bit harder, sometimes it's a little bit softer. It's not only one manufacturer for boards. Apple buys the boards on several places. In this case, it's quietly a little bit harder, the underfill. Okay, now we just go to the back side. On the back side, I remove the glue sticker because I don't want to get the heat going under the sticker, because I don't like to get heat damages. But you see, all is nice. And now I just want to take off the underfill for the NAND. Somebody commented why you don't give the quick a try. I already tried to, about 3 minutes, and I didn't want to do it anymore. The problem is that I started working on these board repairs by using the JBC. And if you started the board repairs by using a JBC hot air, you will never like a quick. That's my opinion. So I know that the JBC is much more expensive, but for me it has a lot of advantages. I don't say that quick is a bad device. So if I want to buy a cheap hot air station, I buy a quick, definitely. And I know a lot of masters who are working with quick and they are doing really good. But for me, I just like my JBC. Now it's time to remove the CPU. We have to go fast with the air. Don't waste time. And done, CPU is out. And directly after that, I just want to get out the baseband CPU because we have heat at the PCB now. and I just want to do it fast. Okay, we are done. We took off the CPU and the baseband CPU. Okay, so I take this to the side, and now we go to the back side and just removing the NAND. The board is hot, so as long as the board is hot, it will go much faster, and we don't waste time on waiting and cooling down the board. So I think that's just the best way. And done. Okay, NAND is out too. Now we just go on cleaning the board. So we use some flux. Somebody wrote, what's the cleaning water you use? I don't use a cleaning water, it's just flux. And I use MTech NC559 or MTech NC559. I don't know what's the right pronouncement in English. For me it's MTech, you can call it MTech NC559 V2. I get it in Germany on tme.eu. In the USA, I think microsolderingsupply.com should have it. Perhaps you get it at other stores too. I don't know. So now we go on by just using the solar wick. I have to go to the door. 1 second. Okay, sorry, here I am again. So we just clean that board. By using the wick. Taking off the solder and cleaning that glue. So at the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus we don't have any components between the baseband or the baseband CPU and the main CPU, so it's easy to clean here. If we lose some no stuff pads here, it's not a problem. Now we clean by using the brush. And having a look. Looks okay. Just using some flux again all over the areas. Taking some solder and the wick. Go over the areas here. And take the solder. Take the solder from the pads. Same on the bottom. Move the board. And done. Okay. Cleaning by using the brush. And now we can just use the hot air. And do the glue cleaning process by using our glue removing tool and some hot air. Edges, sides, everywhere you see glue, just take it away. What is missing on pads is only NC, so not a problem. Turn the board around. I just cleaned the preheating module and now the clamps aren't dirty, and if they aren't dirty they don't hold as good as before, but not a problem. Okay. Done. Clean. And you see that is looking really good. So on some pads here, just have to scrape it a little bit. can go one time with the wick now. And we are done with the front side. Iron doesn't want to work. Okay, now I think it's better. Okay, done. Just clean by using a brush and a wipe. And the front side has been done. And you see that is looking really clean. Yeah. Now we go over to the back side and clean the end area. Taking off the solder from the pads. Taking the brush, clean. Push with a wipe, and after that using the hot air and a glue removing tool. If you lose a component like this here, check if it's no stuff or not. If it's no stuff, just replace it. If it's no stuff, no problem. But it's important that you really clean the board gently and getting up all the glue. I already saw boards after swaps where people just didn't clean the surface under the NAND. Really. I don't know why. So, done. Just checking by another board. Don't want to waste time. Here we got another one. Do we have something here? No, it's no stuff. You see? Oh? No, it's not no stuff. No problem, we just take that out. I could have a look in ZXW or the schematics too, but I don't want, because it's faster for me to do it in that way. And I just take it out here. And get it in at the other board. Here we are. And now we just get it in here. Done. Okay. Clean. Looks good. Taking a wipe. Pushing. Cleaning. Done. Okay. So, looks beautiful. Clean that area here too. It's just for the optic. Okay. And what we do now is just taking off the power IC. I don't check on the power supply now, because could work in that way too, but it's always the cleaner way to just remove the power IC. I see, if you compare the glue between the last iPhone 8 Plus video, iPhone 8 video, and this video here, you see that clue on the power IC of the iPhone 7 or 7 Plus is more hard than the clue of the iPhone 8 or 8 Plus. Scrape away the coating. And now just take out the IC. Fast job. Now we need to clean. Just a little bit of flux here. I had to laugh as I read cleaning water. New word for flux. Take out the solder everywhere. After that, use the brush and clean one time. Take the hot air. Glue cleaning too. Go over here. Go over all the sides, edges, corners, and just take out the overfill, underfill like ever. Okay. If we have been done with that, just clean one time, taking a wipe, push, and then we can just replace or get a new power IC in. So that's one of the only reasons you have to use power ICs on iPhone 7, 7 Plus, 8 and 8 Plus. Normally they don't break for no reason. You mostly only have to replace them on a board swap. There are not many damages where you have to replace a power IC. Done. Waiting a short time for cooling down. Clean the whole back side of the board. And here you can see the Logic EEPROM, and here you can see the baseband EEPROM. But these ROMs we don't take out because we copy the data with the JC Pro 1000. Okay? So now we just cool it down, short time. And then we just have a look if our job has been successful done. And it's perfect, like you see, 0, 0, 3. Okay, here is the iPower adapter. I get power on and we are 0, 0, 3. So that's the perfect value for an iPhone 7 and 7 Plus Logic board after preparement for a swap without CPU, without baseband CPU and without NAND. Okay, always remember the numbers, the values on power supply. So this was the board where I just took out the component. Okay, here, but there are some other components missing on that board, so I get it away. And here I got the next board ready, prepared for swap. I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that in our one-on-one classes at the Bottle Level Repair School Germany. Just give me a private message for that. And if you want to join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany, you can do it easily. Just go on Facebook, have a look for Smartphone Repair Group Germany, answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you, and then join the group and have a lot of fun with that. Yeah, I'm out. Perhaps we see us with another video today. I try to, but I can't swear. I'm out. By the way, by the ICC Pro, and check YouTube DG. I posted it on Facebook too. He did a great review. DG from dgrepairs.com. A monster, a skill monster, and he has really a big knowledge about all the functions on all the logic boards. And yeah, just have a look. He did a nice review, and if you want to buy that, just go to iccpro.de or contact one of our resellers. I'm out. Boom, back to life again. Here's Ben.